Hi guys! Available na naman dito yung bestseller nating earrings. Ito, ang daming naghahanap nito sa akin before. Ayan. Van Cleef earrings. May color block. Red. And may color white din. And yung color white nila, ayun na kay Salem. Salem, show the color white. Ayun. Ayan yung white.
Pero, tignan mo yung kulay tama na.
Okay. So, gusto ko siyang papalitan kasi gusto ko gold. So, papapalitan ko siya na walang gold na available eh. So, papapalitan ko siya netong color gold. Yes, Salem, please. I want it.
Okay, I will put this one here.
Okay. Thank you.
Almost 3. 295.